Let's go walking. Okay, temperature is 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 70% humidity. And what I'm talking about today, we see. You nobody over there. Come on. Is I've been making all my videos in 4K, but could not understand why YouTube did not put them out as 4K. They put them out HD to now, except YouTube does not process shorts in 4K. The research I did, TikTok does not process videos in 4K either. But anyway, I had to go to my settings and change it to full quality video, and now they're coming out in 4K. My long videos, short ones not. Yeah, I'm in a short sleeve shirt. It feels nice. 55 Fahrenheit. Light wind. You guys are gonna do anything? Last time they did. Looks like she might. I don't know. Looks like he's looking for a spot too. No, you can't go that way, Barkley. This way. Stop pulling. Try and find a spot you haven't hit yet. Yeah, those are mow tunnels. You probably smell them stinky mows from there with your nose. Man, they're bad. Whew. That's probably where these little holes coming from here. Oh, good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Oh, my foot just went in one of those tunnels. Heel my shoe. Oh. Here, bird. You guys smell animals that was back here? Come on. I'll get off these tunnels. Keep sinking in. Little grapevines. It's hard to tell that they even grow grapes on the vines. But they do. Next spring. I'm gonna have to clean up behind her real good before they start growing again, because it gets hard when the vines start turning green and growing grapes, and it's hard to get back there tearing down the weeds. Lucy, what you doing? Lucy, you must itch on your back. She loves it when you scratch her back. I think all dogs does. Let's go. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Yeah, shake that crap off. Come on. I'm waiting. Good girl. Barkley, behave. No, Barkley. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's go in the house. You both done your job. Come on. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. We appreciate it. So we hope you walk with us again. Thanks for watching, folks. Until next time, later.